In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Firebase Blaze plan. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Firebase console, which is available on this link over here. So console.firebase.google.com, and you want to click on any of your projects. When they load up, you want to go over here on the left, on top, and hover over settings, and click on usage and billing. Here, you want to go to details and settings up top, and then from here you can see it says Spark, no cost, and if you want to modify this, click on modify plan, and as you can see I'm on this one right now, but if you wanted the Blaze plan, which is pay as you go, if you want to buy this, click on select plan over here, and then you have to basically create your billing account. So you can go ahead and click on create a cloud billing account. It's going to open up Google Cloud Console, and then in here you can set this up. So you basically will have to sign into your Google account, the same one you're using for Firebase, and then you will have to basically switch to your country over here. So just select the correct country, click on agree and continue, and then from there you'll basically be able to put in your information and create a billing account that way. So for me right now, as you can see, it's going to require tax info and payment methods, and then whenever you do that, as you can see, you get some free credits, and whenever you're done with the free credits, you'll basically be able to start paying, and of course that way you've basically bought the Firebase Blaze plan. So that's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.